Good morning, student. This question has been asked in J 2025. J 2025. It says sliding contact of a potentiometer is in the middle of the potentiometer where having resistance 1 ohm. So this wire is the wire of the potentiometer and its resistance is 1 ohm, which is denoted by the Rp. An external resistance of 2 ohm is connected via the sliding contact. Which one is the sliding contact? This is the sliding contact. The contact is here and it is in the middle. It is in the middle of the potentiometer wire, and a external resistance of 2 ohm is connected with the sliding contact. The electric current in the circuit is. So we have to find out the electric current in the circuit. Then it is not clear to us where actually which current we need to find. The current here or here or here or here. This is not clear. But we will calculate the current, the main current, which is passing through the power supply 0.9 volt. Okay. So for clarity, let's redraw the circuit. This is the external power supply of 0.9 volt, and here the total resistance is 1 ohm, the resistance of the potentiometer wire. It is the sliding contact is at the middle of the connecting wire at the slide potentiometer wire. So the resistances will be 0.5 ohm and 0.5 ohm, correct? And the potentiometer, sorry, the sliding contact is at the middle, and an external resistance of 2 ohm is connected, and this is the circuit. We have to find out the current through the battery, correct? So basically we have to calculate the equivalent resistance of this one, the equivalent resistance of this, correct? What is the equivalent resistance of this portion? See, this 0.5 and this 2 ohm are in parallel combination, and with this 0.25 ohm is in series. So 0.5 parallel 2 ohm, and with this 0.5 ohm is in series combination. So 0.5 parallel 2, that is 0.5 into 2 by 0.5 plus 2. This is the equivalent resistance of this portion, this branch, with a series 0.5. So 0.5 into 2, that is 1, and in denominator it will be 2.5 plus 0.5. Then we will have, if we multiply 4, then we will have 2.5 into 4. That means 2.5 into 4. See, 25 into 4, that means 100. So 2.5 into 4 will be 10. So this is 10 plus 0.5. So 0.4 plus 0.5, that is 0.9 ohm. So the equivalent resistance is 0.9 ohm. We have to find out this current. So the value of the current will be I is equals to V by R. V is 0.9 and the resistance is also 0.9. We calculate it here. So ultimately it is 1 ampere. So our correct answer is option 3.